everyone, in today's video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Play Store problem in your device Samsung Galaxy F55. In this device if Play Store is not working and not downloading apps, I'm gonna tell you how to fix this issue. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Make sure to watch complete video and learn I can do it. Let's watch the video.